Welcome to our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
So when we talk about how to formulate those keywords, those effective keywords, you're going to identify what the content's main theme is in your video. So you're going to start by listing the primary topics and the concepts in your video. And then you're going to research some popular search terms. You can use YouTube's search bar in the top to see what people are looking for. So when you put, you don't want to be on your channel necessarily. You just want to be in your search bar of YouTube and put in your topic. And you're going to see the words that people have popping up and what things come up when you put those words in. And do the videos and channels that come up, are they related to your content? And that helps you know if you have the right connection there or not. And the other thing is if you have TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy will pop up in your right-hand column as well and give you some suggested tips and some other content things and ranking keywords as well. So that can kind of give you some ideas of things that you are looking for there. So that's how you search them. And now consider long tail keywords. These seem to be doing a lot better when I'm doing some ranking research on them. They're longer and they're more specific phrases that can help you really target your niche audience. So those long tail keywords, they're almost like a part of a sentence. They're more than one or two words that will help you really find the right audience. And then some sources as to where you can get your keywords. You can find them in, like we talked about, YouTube search suggestions. Just start typing in that search bar and see what YouTube suggests. You can look at competitor analysis. So look for keywords that other successful channels are using. And that's simple because you can go to any video that you found was really hot and kind of in your area, go look at that video and look at their keywords. It'll show up. And you can see what they're using. You can even copy someone else's keywords as they apply to you and pick and choose which ones do apply to you. You can use Google Trends. So that is looking at Google Trends, and you're going to find that by doing trends.google.com. And then when you get to that, it's really important to then look under Explore, and it'll take you to another page. And that Explore page will take you to a drop-down menu. The page will look similar to this, but you're going to click on the tab above that says Explore. And from this Explore tab, it's really important now to look at where you want to search, United States, past 12 months, all the categories. And then this is the drop down that's really important. And drop down and go to YouTube search. And from here, you can add a search term. So we can look at cake versus chocolate cake. And let's throw in keto cake. And so what you're going to see here, each of these has been given a color code. And you look down here and you look at these codes. So cake is a bigger, better YouTube search word than chocolate cake, and keto is less than 1. So when you're looking for search words, that will guide you in where you want to do that. And then it breaks down into regions as to who's surfing what, so that you can really target your audience there. You can also look at your top performing videos. Go back and look through your content and which of your videos are performing higher than other videos. And go back and see if those keywords apply to your current video. And as your channel is about one thing or two, or, well, if you have a crazy channel like I do, pull up the content that applies to that video that was a good ranking one before.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.